This video will help build your first accoPLANNING visual. We'll show you how to use rows, columns, measures, filters, and so on. In Power BI, expand the visualization menu by clicking the double arrow on the upper right side of the screen. Then, click the Build Visual icon on the top and add data to your visual. Adding rows is rather straightforward. Find your data field that you wish to use for rows with your data set on the far right side of the vertical data menu. For example, if you wish to use sales price for products, drag the relevant fields into the rows section of the menu, thus placing price in the measure field to see the rows. Columns work in the same way. Find your data field that you wish to use for columns with your data set on the far right side of the vertical data menu. For example, if you wish to use dates, then drag the year and months field into the columns section of the menu. Measures. Again, measures work basically in the same way as rows and columns. Find your measure field that applies to your selected rows and columns. If you have any measure to be used as non-writable or as calculations, they are also placed here. Non-writable measures are for display only, and the data cannot be edited. Calculation are measures used for custom calculations. Both can be used within shadow calculations. For example, if you wish to write quantity and see price and amount, then drag these measure into the measures field. And if you want to display only price and amount, then place these measures here as well and go to Format Your Visual pane in the upper right corner, then unfold the Measure tab and configure the measures as non-writable. Now you are not able to write in these as you can with the quantity measure. Advanced features include transaction keys, splashing, cell locking, and comments. Transaction key. These are unique keys that relates to sent data back and forth from your write-back table and data model. Splashing. Splashing refers to the distribution of values or calculations across multiple cells within the report. Here you decide on what measures you wish to use for splashing. Cell locking. This useful feature restricts the editing of cells. You can turn on or off the cell locking feature at any time. Commenting. Commenting is a useful tool for users to collaborate with each other and track metadata. All these advanced features are measure-based. Congratulations! Now you have set up your first visual in accoPLANNING. Follow along the other videos to better understand the advanced features and dive deeper into the accoPLANNING universe.